Hi guys, welcome to my videos. Guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Kurdistan. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this e-visa portal of Kurdistan regional government. On this website, the very first thing is like who needs visa. So citizens of country list A can obtain an e-visa through the system. So this is the list A. So see if your country is there or not. So Canada is here, so Canadians can do. Wow. Validity. Okay. How long you can stay there? 30 days. Okay. Okay. No, so within the validity period of your visa, you can enter and stay there for 30 days. Okay. What visa types are available? Available visa for your country eligibility checker. Okay, so we can see. Let's say you have passport and if I select Canada within 30 days, so I can apply. If I have India, can I do this? Yeah. Oh, still I can apply. There it was not allowing me to. Okay, fine. So it means it can be applied. Fine. Now, whatever details I'm gonna put is gonna be like sample details. When you do it as per your own case. So you see that first three, like what you have to do, you have to upload passport. Next is gonna be photo requirement, document recognition, and then they will check the eligibility. Okay, so I'm gonna upload the document and then I'm gonna see you guys. So after uploading passport, it has recognized. Okay, and next is gonna give me the visa types details, so that I'm gonna see. Okay, so this has appeared. Visa type is single 30 days cost in Iraqi dinars. Okay, and this includes a transaction fee. Okay, fine. You should always go through the conditions because it's a sample video. So after that, the next step is going to be requested details. So I have modified some details here. Okay. Document details you need to put the address information, travel plans, purpose of stay, number of days, or minus. Do it as per your case. Data, address where you'll be staying. Okay. Attachments, photo and passport you need to attach. And then next is going to be summary. And after that, uh, you'll be presented to pay the fee, and once it is granted you're all good to go. So that's how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.